What is going on, Cornucopias friends? Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Fareed, and as a part of today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 upcoming NFT mints from the Cornucopias Metaverse project. Now, if it's your guys' first time stopping by this channel, I do my best to keep you guys updated when it comes to the latest news surrounding the top projects in the ecosystem, Cornucopias being one of them. And so if you guys appreciate these types of videos, please make sure to tap that like button. If it's your first time stopping by, consider subscribing. And if you guys have any questions about what I'm going to be talking about today, then please make sure to leave a comment down below. That said, let's quickly just go ahead and just jump straight into this. I kind of want to start off with a recap of a brand new NFT giveaway or a collaboration between the Cheeky Crypto team and the Cornucopias team. So I did cover this in my previous Cardano Scoop video, but I did want to give you guys a heads up that there's 2 days left in this particular giveaway. And so in order to access this giveaway, all you need to do is head over to this gleam.io link, which I'm going to leave in the description below. But once you access that here, it's actually pretty simple to enter in the giveaway. So as you guys can see here, there's 2 days left, but if you want to enter, all you need to do is go ahead and finish the following tasks. So you can go ahead and actually follow or subscribe to the Cornucopias and the Cheeky Crypto YouTube channels. You can also join their Discords and then follow them on Twitter. Now, once you do that, you'll be awarded a certain amount of entries. And as you guys can see right now, we're at a total of 35,000 different entries, and a winner, or winners, I should say, will be selected over the course of the next 2 days. So if you guys have not already done that, go ahead and make sure to do that. And now I'm going to jump back in here for the main announcement that I wanted to cover as a part of this video. Now, this was an announcement that just came from Matt, who is the NFT manager from the Cornucopias team. So we're going to break down this article, and then we're going to talk about the NFTs themselves, the rarities, and how you in the community can participate to earn one of them as well. So as it reads here, we are ecstatic to share that we're going to be having a holiday NFT sale, which will be taking place on Monday, December 19th. Now, the team has yet to actually confirm an official date, or excuse me, an official time, but as soon as they release that, I'll shoot another video updating you guys within the community. As mentioned in previous COPI cafes, we're following through with our plan to offer a small NFT sale. And so I do want to confirm that they have mentioned this in previous COPI cafes. And if you guys do not keep up with the COPI cafes, or if you're not familiar with them, they're going to be a series of videos held by Josh and Rob, who are the 2 co-founders out of 4 actually, in which they give updates to the community about the development and the status of the game. Now, to kick things off, we will be testing our platform with a free, simple, well, it's almost free NFT, which will be taking place on Monday, December 12th at 2 p.m. UTC. So we're going to have a test mint, which will be taking place on Monday, December 12th. And we know the time for that, which again is going to be 2 p.m. UTC. And they're going to have the official holiday NFT sale, which I assume will be another item or a different item, which will be taking place on Monday, December 19th. However, we don't have the time for that one just yet. Now, moving along, testers will be able to mint a holiday edition Farmer Joe bobblehead. And I've actually got a picture of that here in a separate tab. So let me show you guys what that's going to look like. So this is what we can expect exactly from the Cornucopias team. Now, jumping back over here, these incredible collector items will be a perfect addition to your Bubblejet dashboard or a great decoration in your home bubble. So it looks like you'll be able to either put this in your Bubblejet, which is a flying vehicle within the Cornucopias Metaverse, or directly within your free bubble that you receive as a member in the Cornucopias Metaverse. Now, the total supply of this collection will be 12,000, which is, I think, relatively low, right? I think there's going to be a lot of competition for this, being that there's almost 40,000 members in their Discord right now as I shoot this video. Now, the first edition bobblehead will act as a tier 1 access pass to future bobblehead mints. And if you choose to mint a future bobblehead, right, this gifted Santa will be burned. So you can either choose to hold on to this for dear life, or you can choose to basically use it as an access pass to future mints, but keep in mind that you'll have to get rid of it, aka burn it, in order to participate in those additional mints using it as a pass. So what is this that we're actually testing? This continues to read. Well, in previous COPI cafes, the team did mention that they are actively working to support the Cornucopias native token, which is the COPI token, as a payment method directly on their NFT marketplace. So not only has the Cornucopias team built their own NFT marketplace, but they're now at the point to where they can actually accept their Cardano native token as a form or a means of payment directly within that marketplace. So really good news to hear that there, and congratulations to the Cornucopias team on what they're continuing to develop. Now it reads here, well, our marketplace is now equipped to accept COPI, the Cardano version of our native token, as a form of payment. So that just confirms exactly what I just mentioned there. So for this holiday sale, the in-game assets that we plan on selling are all going to be vehicle or racing related. As you may be aware, our first item is the NFT racing suit in collaboration with the YouTube channel Cheeky Crypto. Now in my last Cardano Scoop video, as well as a collaboration video that I shot with Late Game Crypto Josh, we actually talked about this particular NFT racing suit. So let me go ahead and share that off with you guys here as well. That's actually this particular tab here. But you're going to be able to basically purchase this particular NFT racing suit. Now, just like with all of the other Cornucopias NFTs, there will be a different variety of these. And so there's going to be, I believe, 5 different variations, aka colors. And they're also, I believe, going to give you different abilities within the actual metaverse. Jumping back into the article here, it continues to read, our second item in offer is going to be an awesome vehicle upgrade in the form of a custom light NFT kit. So this will be something that you can actually add to your NFT vehicles, aka your Bobblehead or your GTI Javelin. Again, I've got another sample of that here, and this actually looks really, really cool. So as you guys can see here, we've got like this underglow beneath the engine, and then beneath like what would be the wheels of the actual GTI Javelin there as well. As part of NFT Sale number 1, which will be the free test sale, right, for the Bobblehead, there's going to be a public supply of 12,000 NFTs, with 120 of them being reserved for the Cornucopias team for marketing purposes. Now, if you're looking to participate, there is going to be a max mint amount of 1 NFT per person, and there's going to be a price of 2 ADA plus 1 COPI, which is literally just a few pennies, right? And they also suggest that you actually have a minimum of 10 ADA just to make sure that there's no issues with your UTXOs or transaction when you're trying to make the purchase. Now, just like with all of the other Cornucopias NFTs, there will be a royalty amount of 5%, which will be going back to the team to further develop the game. And then, as I mentioned before, just like with the NFT racing suit, there's also going to be 5 different rarity colors, and I believe it'll probably follow the same kind of rarity schedule. So they'll probably have a uncommon, common, rare, legendary, and mythic. Now, moving along, we have NFT number 2, which is going to be the flying vehicle kit. And again, these are going to allow for you guys to basically add an additional color kit set underneath your vehicle. Now, it does note here that this is a cosmetic upgrade, so therefore it does not have any rarities associated with it, and it's not a compulsory to use in game. So it's not necessarily going to give you an advantage, or so it's not going to give you an advantage in game, and the team is quite clear about that particular functionality. Now, when it comes to the actual flying vehicle lighting kit, there's going to be a total of 8,000 of these NFTs. And if you guys are considered as tier 1, which are the OGs, you're going to have 800 of these lighting kits available for purchase. If you're considered as tier 2 or a vehicle holder, you must own both a Bobblehead plus a GTI Javelin or one single of the OG Bobbleheads. Now, if you're considered tier 2, you're going to get a total of 5,500 NFTs allocated for that particular tier. And then if you're considered public, which is not tier 1 or tier 2, there's going to be a total of 1,600 NFTs available for you. And then, as I mentioned before, the team will be keeping a little bit for marketing purposes. And for this NFT, they're going to be holding on to 80 of them specifically. Again, you have a max mint amount of 1 NFT per person with a price of $15 USD, in which the Cornucopias team will be taking a snapshot of the ADA price 24 hours prior to their sale, and we're also going to see this NFT hold a 5% royalty going back to the team to further their development. Very lastly, we have the highly anticipated Cheeky Crypto Racing Outfit NFT. Now, this is going to be an in-game wearable suit, in partnership, right, with Utility. So suit holders will be able to gain access to Cryptopia, which is a VC firm partnered with Cheeky Crypto. And if you do get access to Cryptopia, you'll basically also get access to all of the early stage pre-sales, right, that this VC capital firm has access to as well. Now, if you guys want to find out more about Cheeky Crypto and Cryptopia, there is a link to the previous video in which the Cheeky Crypto team were actually talking with Rob and Josh about how they expect this collaboration to work moving forward. Moving down into the actual supply, there's going to be 7,400 of these NFT racing suits. Again, tier 1 will have 920 of them available. Tier 2 will have 5,000 available, and the public will have 1,400 available. Now, there's also going to be a marketing amount kept for the team, which will be 80 NFTs in this case. And as I mentioned before with these other 2 NFTs, there's going to be a max mint amount of 1 NFT per person. And these are going to be slightly more expensive than the previous NFTs. However, these are going to run about 20 USD, again, with the team taking a snapshot 24 hours prior to the actual sale. And just like with the other NFTs as well, the royalty amount will be set at 5%. Now, when it comes to the actual rarities, just like I mentioned before, they're going to have the common, uncommon, rare, legendary, and mythic. Now, taking a look at the actual benefits of these different rarities, the first 3 will give you access to the Cheeky Crypto plus Cryptopia partnership, and then the legendary and the mythic will also give you an additional percentage off of the Cheeky Crypto merch. So if you hold a legendary NFT racing suit, you'll get 10% off of the Cheeky Crypto merch. And if you hold a mythic, which is the most rare, you'll get access to 20% off of the Cheeky Crypto merch. Now that is going to wrap it up for this announcement. I know that it was quite a bit. However, I do think that it is a little bit of information that is important, especially if you're looking to participate over the course of the next 2 or 3 weeks. If you guys found this video to be helpful, I would really appreciate it if you guys could tap that like button. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you guys have any questions about any of the upcoming NFT sales for the Cornucopias game, then make sure to leave those down below. With that said, I will see you guys in the next video.